It's so cold out here.
Oh my goodness, my lip is so dry.
So I just got home from the convenience store, but I went to campus to go and study. I couldn't film that part because I needed to like log in and everything. So I am quite hungry. I mean, that is why I got the groceries. But I want to shower and everything and, get cozy and then eat. Yeah, so I'll grab you guys when I'm done, okay? I just finished bathing and let's go and make some dinner. So like this is the current state of the kitchen. I usually like to clean before cooking. By the way, I forgot to mention I live in an apartment, so I'm sharing the apartment with one other person. So yeah, let's clean this mess quickly and let's make dinner. So I'm feeling a lot better now, and so I am going to step out. I will be going for a part-time job, like a 2-hour part-time job, and right from there I'll go to a coffee shop because I have an experiment report that I need to submit on Wednesday. So we're going to do that after the part-time job. So yeah, let's go.
감사합니다.
I just finished change of plans. I'm actually going to get food and then I'm going to go to the school's library to study because it's so cold out here and I don't think I want to study in a coffee shop. Oh my goodness, my bus is here. My bus is here. See you guys later. It's another day and it's like, what is the time? It's like 6 p.m. right now. I just go home from the market. Like I went out to do a few things and I decided to pass by the market. And honestly, I could not film because it was so cold. I know I keep talking about how cold it is. And I don't know, it was just a long day for me. So it just didn't occur to me to pick up the camera to film, but I am home now and I got like a few things from, oh my goodness, my lip is so dry. That is how bad the cold is. Like I got a few things from the market. Let me show you guys. So I got like some apples and carrots, I think. Yeah, this is carrots. And carrots here. Some apples and some carrots here. And I got these as well. This is like an MSG kind of thing. Yeah. And yeah. I'll be cooking tomorrow. I'll be cooking tomorrow because honestly, I am not about to order food. I've been ordering food for the longest time and I think I want to cook tomorrow after class. So that is why I got these groceries. And also over here, my final piece for my room makeover came in and I'm going to unbox this, but not in this video. Because it's going to be uploaded before this video comes out. Yeah, so yeah, but I got a coupon order delivered as well. I think this should be a mouthwash and then this should be a heater, like a mat for bed. So yeah, so I'm just going to shower now and get really comfortable because it's a long day and I need that shower. I'll grab you guys when I am done.
One eternity later.